Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge. And for this challenge, I'm gonna do a palindrome checker. I already write this function name, and as you remember, in the previous project, I did a word reverse. Sorry, I couldn't speak. I write a Python code that reverse a string or reverse a word. Now, what I'm gonna do? The palindrome words is the word that if you read it normally, for example, this word I should write. If you read it normally, it's ABA, and if you read it reverse, it's still ABA. So normal reading and reverse reading should be equal. That's why I added my previous project to here. And how I'm gonna use my previous project. This string variable returns reverse of my word. So I should add another if condition and I should check if my word is equal to reverse of it. For example, if I write this and if it's true I should print the word is a palindrome, and if it's not then I should print the word is not a palindrome. Now what this if else loop does, it checks for my reversed word, then it checks is it equal to my normal word. And if it's equal, this will be true and it will print the word is a palindrome. But if it's not true, then it will print the word is not a palindrome. Now let's run it. And I shouldn't use another print condition because there is no return value. It's already prints here. I don't need to print it twice. I shouldn't print it twice. If I try it with school, as you can see, it prints the word is not a palindrome, which true. Then I should try it with a palindrome word, for example, madam. And as you can see, it says it prints the word is a palindrome. So my function works, but I'm gonna show another way of doing this. As you remember in the previous project, I used string slicing to reverse my word, and I'm gonna do it with that way. And I will delete this string here too. Then I will just print this. And this is the same result. It will return reverse of my word. And if reverse of my word is equal to my word, then it will print the word is a palindrome, else it will print the word is not a palindrome. Let's try it, and it works. As you can see, you can do it this two-way. Maybe there is another way. I don't know. If you find another way of doing this, you can drop a comment and I will read it. Let's just try last one example, and it can be Anna. And let's see if it works. Yep, as you can see, it works. You can add another conditions. For example, if user enters empty strings or another conditions, you can add them here with another elif condition. It's up to you. For example, if user enters a empty string, then I can say print, please enter a word. Now if I use empty string, then it will return. Ah, why it didn't work? Because my first if condition is working. Reverse of empty string is reverse. Reverse of empty string is empty string. That's why it stops here. That's interesting. How I can fix that? I can fix it by just changing if conditions. I should do this my second condition, and I should add this print here, and I should update here. Yep, I guess that should fix it, because first this if condition, it will check for this if condition, and if it's empty string, it will print please enter a word. If it's not empty string, then it will look for other elif condition. Let's try, and as you can see, it works. I will enter another word here. As you can see, my function is finished. I finished my function. So that's it for this project. We will meet again in the next project. See you later.